Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. This video is going to be about the blend tool versus doing it manually. Sometimes even works better. I have two identical squares. I am going to rotate, well, one of them I'm going to do manually, but this one I'm going to rotate this guy, let's say 12 degrees. Well, let's do it more. Let's do 22 and a half. Then if you select these two, and you go to effects and blend and you blend them 16 times, it minutely alters the shape. But if you do it manually, so we're going to do this one manually, I am going to Control D and make a duplicate of this, while holding down the shift key, bring it in, but also at the same time, rotate it 2 degrees. Now, when I Control D, it actually puts more of a spin on it than the other way. I actually probably made it a little bit, let me try to make it a little bit more evenly. You could do that. Let me just erase these things. You could always take the Alt key with your shape tool and just swipe, well, virtual segment delete key, and just swipe through here and it'll get rid of all those inner circles. Now, we could do it another way, Control D and make a duplicate. Let's bring it into 11.5 inches and rotate it 2 degrees. Now Control D, and see what it's doing? It's doing your two actions that you did. You made it smaller and you rotated it. I don't know why the blend tool doesn't do that sometimes, and I don't have to work in the center of the page. I can grab these two and go E, C, and we'll make the blend a little bit more this time, like 20 times. Well, I didn't rotate the first one. So let's rotate that. Well, let's do the 22 and a half degrees. Grab both of those and blend it. It just doesn't give you the same, it does twist it. But I found this on a square, you can't rotate it, anymore and get this result. Now there, I rotated it quite a bit. I rotated it, like 54 degrees. But it doesn't give that turn, that curve that I got with the other way. Anyway, I hope that just gave you an idea, and thank you for watching.